In this video, I'll show you how to fix your loss of range. You want to check for splits, cuts, and tears. Labeling your wires will make it easier for you on install. You can see our antenna pull completely out the receiver. You'll want to open up your receiver by pushing on the big tab. It should pop right open. You'll want to remove the board from the base itself. Here you see two soldering points, a small and a large. Here you need to solder the inside wire to the small tab and the outside wire of the antenna to the larger tab. Reinstall your receiver and plug everything back in. Now, as long as you had good soldering joints and make sure everything was secured, everything should work just fine.
I'm looking up the chords. I don't want to butcher it completely. I sort of remember SM7 as well for some of the heavier stuff. The Red's been doing a lot of vocals, and